Hello everyone and welcome to the Specialty Materials YouTube channel. I am Jada and today we're going to be creating stickers by sublimating on our Chameleon PSV. Let's get started. Okay, so your first step is going to be to cut your Chameleon. You want to size your background just a little bit larger than your image so that you can press your image on your background just in case there's any shrinkage. Now that our background is cut, we went ahead and printed our sublimation images. Make sure that you mirror your images so it's in the right reading position. Now that we lined our image up with the background on our Chameleon, we are going to press this at 375 for 50 seconds. Now you're just going to peel away the image paper that you used to sublimate onto the Chameleon, and it should look something like this. Once that's all complete, all you have to do is peel your image out of your PSV Chameleon and you have your sticker. And just like that, you sublimated on PSV Chameleon and created some stickers. This is our sticker board that we've created with you guys on YouTube. But if you want to see the finished product, make sure you follow us on Instagram at Specialty Materials. If you guys have any comments or concerns, make sure you comment on this video. Let us know how you liked it. Leave us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.